Good morning to class. How are you all? I hope you all are fine. Today our topic is descending order. It's page number 21 of countdown. So open your countdown books. Students, open page number 21. Our topic is descending order. Look at the numbers. We arrange it in descending order. Students, as you know, in descending order we arrange numbers from largest to smallest number, and here we have largest number is 950. After we have write here 841, then we write here 749, next is 642, next is 624, and the largest next number is 590, which is smallest number. Now look at next part. Here we have numbers 531, 513, 790, 542, 864, and 684. First of all, look at the largest number. Here we have largest number is 864. So first of all we write here it's 864. Next we write here, look at the numbers. Here we have 790. Next is 684. 684. Next number is, look at the numbers, it's 542, 531, 513. Look at the 100 value. Here we have same numbers, it's 5, 5 and 5. Now we compare tens value. Here we have 3 tens, here we have 1, and here we have 4. So now we write here 542. Next is 531, because 3 is bigger number than 1. So we write here 531, and the last number, which is smallest number, it's 513. So we arranged it in descending order from largest to smallest. From largest to smallest numbers. Now look at next question. Here we have 232, 223, 281, 110, 218 and 248. First of all, look at the largest value. Here we have 100 values, same 2, 2, 2 and 2. Now we compare tens value, which is largest value, it's 281, because 8 is largest in all these numbers. So first of all we write here 281. Next is 248. Next comes 248. Next comes, look at this, it's 232 and 223. Yes, now next comes 232. Next comes 223. Next comes 218. And the smallest and last value is 110. So we arrange it in descending order from largest to smallest numbers. Here we have largest number is 281 and smallest 110. Now look at next part. Here we have numbers 769, 754, 699, 969, 854 and 796. First of all, look at the largest value. In all these numbers we'll have largest number is 969. So first of all we write here 969. Now we next look at the next number. Here we have 754, 769, 796, 699 and 854. Next comes 854. Next we have 754, 769, 796 and 699. Now look at the 100 values. Here we have 7, 7 and 7. Now we compare tens value. Here we have 5 tens. Now here we have 6 tens, and here we have 9 tens. So now we write here 796, because 796 is largest in all these numbers. So we write here 796. Now look at the number 754 and 769. In these numbers 769 is largest, so we write here 769. Next comes 754 or 699. Yes, it's 754, because 754 is largest, then 699. So we write here 754 and the last value, which is smallest value, is 699. We write here 699. Now look at next part. It's 482, 491, 914, 419, 399 and 194. Students, as you know, in descending order we put numbers in from largest to smallest. First of all, look at the largest value. Here we have 914 because in all these numbers 9 is the largest. In the 100 value, here we have 9 is the largest, so it means 914 is largest value, so we write here 914. Next comes, look at the numbers. It's 482, 491, 194, 399, 419. Now look at the 100 value. Here we have 4, 4 and 4. Now we compare tens value. Here we have 8 tens, here we have 9 tens, and here we have 1 tens. So we write here 9 10 491 because 491 is greater than 482. So we write here 491. Next comes 482 because 482 is greater than 419. So we write here 482. Next comes 419. Now look at next number. Here we have 399 and 194. Now comes 399 because 399 is greater than 194. So we write here 399 and the last value is 194, which is smallest value. So we arrange numbers from ascending to descending. Look at next part. Here we have numbers 742, 247, 656, 849, 407 and 740. First of all, look at the largest value because we arrange numbers in descending order. So first of all, we write here largest value. 849 is largest value. Now we can write here 740 or 742. Here we have 704 tens. Here we have 704 tens. Now we compare ones value. Here we have 0 ones and here we have 2 ones. So which is greater? Yes, it is 742. Now we write here 742. Next comes 740. Now let me look at next numbers. 656, 407 and 247. Yes, it's 656 because in these numbers, these three numbers, 656 is greater. So we write here 656. Next comes 407 and 247. Yes, it is 407 because 247 is smallest and 407 is greater. So we write here 407 and the smallest value, which is last value, it's 247. Now we arrange it in descending order from largest to smallest. Here we have largest value, it's 849 and the smallest value, which is 247. Students, I hope you will understand descending order. You will solve page number 21 on countdown book. Okay, take care. Allah Hafiz.